Birds in winter. Exhibit various behaviors and adaptations to cope with the challenges of winter. Here are some common strategies and behaviors of birds during the winter months. Migration. Many bird species are migratory and travel to warmer regions during the winter. They move to areas where food is more readily available. And temperatures are milder. For example, the American robin migrates south during the winter months. Winter residents. Some bird species are adapted to cold climates and remain in their breeding territories year-round. These birds have evolved to withstand cold temperatures and find food sources such as seeds, berries, and insects even in winter. Examples include chickadees and cardinals in North America. Feeding behavior. Birds change their feeding habits during winter. They may switch from insect-based diets to eating seeds. Berries and nuts, which are more abundant in winter. Many birds rely on backyard bird feeders. Provided by humans to supplement their diets. Roosting. Birds seek sheltered roosting sites. During cold nights to conserve energy and stay warm. This can include huddling together in dense vegetation. Tree cavities, or even using birdhouses. Some birds, like the eastern bluebird, may even use communal roosts. Fluffing feathers. Birds fluff up their feathers. To trap a layer of air close to their bodies. This insulation helps them conserve body heat and stay warm in cold weather. Energy conservation. Birds reduce their metabolic rate. During the winter to conserve energy. This means they are less active and may spend more time resting to minimize energy expenditure. For example, the snowy owl has thick plumage and can withstand extremely cold temperatures. Nocturnal behavior. Some birds, like owls, are more active at night during winter. This behavior helps them avoid the coldest parts. Of the day and may make it easier to find prey. Ice fishing. Some bird species, such as bald eagles and common ravens, take advantage of frozen bodies of water. By scavenging for fish trapped under the ice. Providing food and water sources in your backyard through bird feeders. And heated bird baths can be a helpful way to support birds. During the winter months when natural food sources may be scarce. Please subscribe our channel.